My 3D project is a keychain that allows students to keep track of their water consumption. It is recommended that people should drink about 8-ounce glasses of water per day. Students want to be healthy and be active, but feel as they don't have the time. They are constantly looking to cut corners to be healthy. Once suggested they should drink more water, students were very interested. They said they'd rather have a physical reminder than an app, hence why I came up with the keychain idea. This keychain will allow students to keep track of their water consumption. Right here would be two dice-like dials that would have numbers 0 to 9. Over here, students will be able to choose if they'd rather have ounces or cup to keep track of their water intake. Up here is a hole for them to attach for their water bottle. They can either use a metal ring if they have a smaller water bottle or a string for bigger water bottles to attach the keychain to their water bottles. My suggestion would be to attach it to the handle of the water bottle if it has it. Hopefully this keychain will allow students to drink more water and live healthier lives at Penn State.